students, in our previous video we have completed past perfect tense students. So today I am going to start past perfect continuous tense. Today I am going to start past perfect continuous. Students, what is past perfect continuous tense? Students, this tense is used to express action. This tense is used to express action which started in remote past. जो किसमें स्टार्ट हुआ था? पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ था. एंड वर इन प्रोग्रेस पास्ट. और पास्ट में ही उसने क्या किया था? प्रोग्रेस की थी, इनके पास्ट में चलता रहा था. उस एक्शन को शो करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. वी यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस to express an action which started in remote past and were in progress in past. Students, in this tense time is given. past perfect continuous tense में क्या होता है? टाइम दिया हुआ होता है. ठीक है, टाइम is given. Okay students, so look, helping verb had been. Students, in past perfect continuous tense we use helping verb had been with all subjects, singular as well as plural. Had been helping verb is used with all subjects. Main verb, as a main verb we use verbs first form with ing. Students, as a main verb we use verbs first form with ing. Look students, in this tense, for denote the time we use since and for preposition. टाइम को डिनोट करने के लिए हम since और for preposition का यूज करते हैं. Students, here we use since. We use since the point of time. Point of time is definite time. जैसे कि कोई निश्चित समय दिया होता है उसके लिए हम since यूज करते हैं. Such as morning, evening and 1990, जनवरी, संडे, मंडे. इस तरीके से जैसे कोई निश्चित समय होता है तो उसके लिए हम सिंस प्रीपोजिशन यूज करते हैं. और वी यूज फॉर प्रीपोजिशन फॉर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इज इनडेफिनिट टाइम. जैसे कि उस समय का पता नहीं, वो पीरियड है, मतलब एक पीरियड, एक अवधि होती है, टाइम होता है, वो इनडेफिनिट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 hours, 2 years, 2 days. वी डोंट नो कौन से 2 days, कौन से 2 years, मीन्स डेफिनेट टाइम नहीं है. तो इसलिए इनडेफिनेट टाइम के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? फॉर. एंड डेफिनेट टाइम के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? सिंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लुक हाउ वी मेक सेंटेंसेस. affirmative sentences. Students, how we make affirmative sentences? So look the pattern. Students, when we make affirmative sentences, what we do? We follow this pattern. Subject plus had been. Had been helping verb plus verbs first form with ing plus object plus since or for. Since or for used for denote time plus time. Okay, at last full stop. So students, look example. He had been playing cricket for 2 days. Okay students, he had been playing cricket for 2 days. Students, he is a subject, had been is a helping verb, playing is a verb first form with ing, cricket is a object, for is used for time, denote time, 2 days. Students, 2 days is a indefinite time, is a period of time, so we use here for preposition. Okay, he had been playing cricket for 2 days. Okay students, another example. My mother My mother had been teaching in this school since 2012. Students, look, my mother is the subject, had been helping verb, teaching past first form with ing, teach and ing, teaching. In this school means object since 2012. Since and for is used for denote time. Time को denote करने के लिए use करते हैं. And 2012 is a definite time. Means डेट दी एक सन दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Since preposition. Since preposition is used for point of time. Okay. My mother had been teaching in this school since 2012. Look students, another example. She had been studying for 2 hours last night. For 2 hours last night. Students, she had been studying for 2 hours last night. She is a subject, had been is a helping verb, studying is a verb first form with ing. For is a preposition which used for denoting time. 2 hours last night. 2 hours means indefinite time. Okay, this is a period of time. So we use here for preposition. For preposition. Okay. So students, these are affirmative sentences examples. So now we make negative sentences. Look students, how we make negative sentences. Look the pattern students. Subject plus had plus not. Subject plus had plus not plus been. Subject plus had plus not been. Okay. Students, in negative sentences we follow this pattern. Okay. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb first form with ing plus object plus since and for plus time. Okay. Full stop at last. So students, in negative sentences the not is used with had and been. Not is used with had and been. Okay. not been raining today since morning. Okay students, it had not been raining today since morning. It is a subject, had is a helping verb, and not comes between had and been in negative sentences. So we put not between had and been. Sorry, had और been के बीच में हम क्या लिखते हैं? not को रखते हैं. ओके. Raining is a past first form with ing. Today, since morning. Since morning is a definite time. This is a point of time. So we use here since preposition. Okay. Look another example, students. I had not been walking in the park I had not been walking in the park yesterday morning. Since yesterday morning. Okay students, I had not been walking in the park since yesterday morning. Students, I is a subject, had is a helping verb, and not comes between had and been. Okay. And walking is a past first form with ing in the park. The park is the object. Since is a preposition which used for point of time, and morning is a point of time. Okay, yesterday morning. Look another example, students. We had not been living in this house since January. Okay, students, we had not been living in this house since January. Be is a subject, had is a helping verb. Not comes in negative sentences. Not comes between had and been. Had और been के बीच में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? not. Okay, in negative sentences. Okay, living in this house since January. Okay, living is a verb. First form with ing. In this house is a object. Since January. Students, January is a point of time. जनवरी एक मंथ का एक नाम दिया गया है पर्टिकुलर. ओके, डेफिनेट टाइम दिया गया है. सो व्हाट प्रीपोजिशन वी यूज हियर? वी यूज हियर since, because since is used for point of time. Students, these are examples of negative sentences. In negative sentences, what we do? We use not after had and been. had और been के बीच में हम not को use करते हैं. Okay, in negative sentences. Students, now interrogative sentences. Students, how we make interrogative sentences? So look, यस एंड नो टाइप, जिसमें कि यस और नो का आंसर निकलता है जब क्वेश्चनिंग होती है, ठीक है। तो वाले सेंटेंस हम कैसे बनाते हैं ये देखेंगे, ठीक है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी, had plus subject plus been plus verb first form with ing plus object plus since and for plus time, okay। इसमें सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, एट लास्ट इंटरोगेटिव साइन। स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब लिखते हैं जब इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं, जो कि कैसे होते हैं, यस एंड नो टाइप, मींस व्हिच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हेल्पिंग वर्ब। सो व्हाट वी डू, वी राइट हेल्पिंग वर्ब फर्स्ट प्लस सब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद हम क्या राइट करते हैं, सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन, and after subject we use been plus verb first form with ing plus object plus since and for plus time, at last interrogative sign। So students, look examples। had they been buying, had they been buying toys for 2 hours yesterday। Interrogative sign। Look students, had they been buying toys for 2 hours yesterday। Students, ये सेंटेंस कैसा है, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है, कैसा है, विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मींस यस एंड नो टाइप, जो कि क्या से स्टार्ट होते हैं, ठीक है। हैड दे बीन बाइंग टॉयज फॉर 2 hours yesterday। स्टूडेंट्स, हैड इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सो वी राइट इट फर्स्ट एंड दे इज द सब्जेक्ट, and after subject what we use been helping, sorry been, okay। buying is a verb first form with ing, toys is the object, for is a preposition which used for time denote करने के लिए यूज हुई है, okay। 2 hours is the period of time, so we use here for preposition। yesterday आपको पता है जो पास्ट के टेंसेस होते हैं उसमें yesterday, लास्ट नाइट, लास्ट इवनिंग, इस तरीके के वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं, ओके। सो यस्टरडे यूज फॉर पास्ट टाइम, ओके। लुक अनदर एग्जांपल। had your brother been learning learning lesson for 2 days। Look students, interrogative sign, had your brother been learning lesson for 2 days, okay। had is a helping verb, your brother is a subject, been is a had been helping verb, so been used after subject, learning is a verb first form with ing, lesson subject for 2 days, for 2 days, student 2 days is a period of time, so we use here for preposition, okay। at last interrogative sign, students, in interrogative sentences interrogative sign is must। look another example। had she sleeping. Had she been sleeping for 10 hours? For 10 hours. Interrogative sign. Had she been sleeping for 10 hours? Students, had is a helping verb. She is a subject. Been is used after subject in interrogative sentences. Sleeping is a verb first form with ing. For is used for denote time. Means this is a period of time 10 hours. So we use here for preposition. Okay students. So these are examples of interrogative sentences. Okay. So past perfect continuous tense.